Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if Discord is experiencing a blank or gray screen when you are launching it on your Windows computer. So I imagine this could definitely be a frustrating issue, and in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it. So just right out of the gate, we're going to be just uninstalling and then reinstalling it because a lot of these fixes you read about online really hit or miss. So honestly, the best way and the quickest way is just to remove it and then reinstall it. So in order to do that, we're just going to start by opening up the start menu, type in programs. Best match to go back to add or remove programs. Go ahead and left click on that. So in the search this list field, you want to go type in Discord. Best match should say Discord here. Just go ahead and left click on that and select uninstall. It's going to say this app and its related info will be uninstalled. Go ahead and select the uninstall button. This will take a moment here, so just be patient. And then once it's removed, you can go ahead and just close it out of here. With to just restart your computer, and then once you've restarted your device, I would recommend opening up a web browser. Doesn't matter which one, and you want to just go over to Google, go to discord.com, and then from this Discord page, so again, let's just go directly to Google here, and from Google, we're going to type in Discord, download, and just hit enter. You want to get it directly from Discord here. It should say discord.com. Go ahead and select this link and then select the download button. And once it's done downloading, just go ahead and open it up. Select the run button. And you might want to close out your web browser too. It's going to take a moment to finish installing here. And there you go, guys. Simple as that. So pretty straightforward process. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.